Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. I want to talk about CMR situation. Now, I've been listening and I've been watching so many different takes and so many different opinions about the situation. And I've gathered a few things. One, a lot of people are triggered by the sensitivity of the situation because we're dealing with a child, and I totally understand. A lot of people are triggered. Yeah? Two, we're dealing with a situation where CMR and Chrissy are still together. That's the problem. Because CMR and Chrissy was not supposed to be together for this to happen. What they're claiming happened. Keyword, what you are claiming happened. Chrissy and CMR was not supposed to be together for this to happen. So, Chrissy getting some of the blame too. You have to understand that when people sitting down waiting for your soul to fail, are waiting to devour your soul, the least crack, they're going to run in. The least thing that happened, they're going to run in. And if it's major, like this alleged situation, trust me, it's the end of you. People don't care about due process when they are waiting for your soul to fail, or waiting to devour your soul. They don't care about innocent before guilty when they are waiting for your soul. You have to understand, say, black people are really used to the homes. Them used to broken homes. Them not used to homes like, a father in the homes with children and mother or wife. We're not used to that. We're used to broken homes. So many of us who from broken homes, when we see our homes functioning, we want to see dysfunctionality. So of course, when Chrissy take back CMR or keep CMR or continue the relationship or the marriage with CMR after he cheated on her, of course that was a no-no. Because people wanted her to kick him out, throw him on the wayside in a scandal bag. Just packing things and dash him out the door and put it on social media. So of course them can have the footage and they can have a few more moments on TikTok to speak about it so people can tap up the screen. So we're not really used to seeing a home function. So when a woman decides, say, okay, what's the greater good? Him around his children, helping him raise the children even though he committed adultery. Them not agree with her upon that. Them no want to see that. No, sir. Chrissy an idiot. So of course Chrissy get some of the blame for this because she was supposed to left him a long time. Of course Chrissy is going to get a lot of backlash for keeping her husband in the home. So there's no due process for him. And there's no due process for her. People are going to just make up a bag of things like, oh, him touch Chrissy's daughter, which is his daughter. And she know about it. People are going to make up things like, Chrissy give him the little girl. People don't care for not even his stepdaughter accused him of anything. People don't care about that. People are going to make up all manner of story because, of course, it's going to fit their mindset, exactly what they think, exactly what they want to happen to. Because them know say for that, Chrissy have to left him now. She can't take him back. So them make sure so them put it out there and believe it without even seeing any case file, without even seeing what it is really about. Them make sure so them put it where them want to happen. Because that them want, you know. They want Chrissy to leave him. Not for what talk. I don't really care about victims. No. Them want Chrissy to left the dirty boy. Because they want to see a broken home. Them want Chrissy out there have 5 different men, so them can have something for TikTok about, and them want her to join them on them TikTok, and yeah. The home two together. I'm not used to that. But I think our due process, people, it stands in most jurisdiction. This is an accusation, people. And the people who I saw over TikTok talking about them have evidence, is them gonna arrest him and him guilty, is them gonna arrest him and put him picture out. It's a sensitive situation. But it's still called for due process. Yeah? So he was given bail, and you will hear the outcome. Not because you hate him so bad. Uno just want what Uno I put out there, convey to the people them to happen. Wait and see what happen, man. Yeah? Just wait and see what really happened. Yeah? But I can tell you this much. Me, now make my picnic them sleep over nobody yard. And me, no want to picnic sleep over at my yard. Because me no want I wake up a picnic and the picnic say, me touch her. Me no want that happen to me. So me no really do sleep over and make my picnic go sleep nowhere. Because me know say, them a wait upon my soul. Me know say, them sit down a plan for me. Because me a public enemy number 1. And CMR a public enemy number 2. Yeah? We could deal with due process and wait, man. Wait and see what really happen. Alright? That's all I can share, you know. Just wait and see what really happen. Yeah? Mm-hmm.